The BMW R nineT is a standard/roadster motorcycle produced by BMW Motorrad, launched in 2014. It's designed with retro styling, heritage/classic BMW boxer look, but with modern tech under the body. Also intended for customization, modular frame, removable parts, etc. In 2023, it was succeeded in many markets by the BMW R12 nineT series. So depending on region, new R nineTs may be limited inventory. Engine and performance. Attribute specification. Engine type air/oil-cooled, 2-cylinder boxer, flat twin, for stroke, DOHC, for valves per cylinder, with central counterbalance shaft. Displacement 1,170 cm3. Bore X/101 by 73 millimeters. Compression ratio 12.01. Power output 109 horsepower is almost equal to 80 kilowatts at 7,250 RPM. Peak torque 116 Newton meters at 6,000 RPM. Transmission 6-speed manual gearbox. Single dry plate clutch, hydraulically operated. Final drive shaft drive, Paralever at rear. Chassis, suspension, braquet wheel. Frame, 4-part frame concept, front frame plus 3-part rear frame, with a load-bearing engine gearbox unit. Rear subframe removable for solo riding, 1-up. Front suspension, upside-down telescopic forks, USD, around 43 to 46 millimeters, depending on model/year. Rear suspension, cast aluminum single swing arm, plus BMW Paralever. Adjustable preload, by hand. Adjustable rebound damping. Brakes. Front, twin 320 millimeters discs for piston calipers. Rear, single 265 millimeters disc, floating 2-piston or double, depending on model. Wheels and tires. Spoked rims, 17-inch front and rear typical. Front tire -120/70 rear -180/55 Dimensions, weight, and capacity. Spec value. Fuel tank capacity, 18 liters. Seat height, 805 mm. Curb. Weight, 221 kg. Road ready, with fluids, fuel. Length/width/height, 2,105 millimeters times 865 mm times 1, 240 mm. Wheelbase 1, 487 mm. Features and equipment. Electronics/rider aids. ABS standard. Riding modes, road, dynamic, etc. in many markets. In some editions, adaptive cornering light. Digital engine management, twin spark ignition. Lighting, LED tail lamp, headlamp, depending on model/year, etc. Instrumentation, dual analog dials, speedometer plus tachometer, plus small digital screens for trip meter, fuel gauge, etc. Custom-friendly design, rear subframe removable, modular frame. Minimal wiring harnesses for engine/chassis. Flexibility for owners to swap out parts, fenders, tail, lighting. Strengths. Stylish and iconic design with classic BMW boxer heritage. Looks good, especially for fans of retro/cafe roadster styling. Strong mid-range torque, especially from 4,000-6,000 RPM, making it responsive in real-world riding, not needing to rev it out all the time. Customization potential, good platform for aftermarket/personal customization. Solid build quality, BMW reliability, good brakes, good chassis feel. Weaknesses/things to watch. Weight is not light for a roadster/cafe bike. 220-225 kg wet, which can make it less nimble than smaller bikes in tight urban traffic. Fuel consumption/efficiency. Not super high. Due to large displacement and boxer engine, expect modest economy. Some sources say 19-20 km/L in moderate riding. Cost and maintenance. BMW parts tend to be premium. Servicing may cost more. Comfort for long rides may not be as good as dedicated touring bikes. Limited wind protection. Sitting posture more classic roadster than sport/tourer. Variants and additions. There are multiple versions of the R9T, including Standard Full, R9T, Dual Dials, Highest Spec Suspension, etc. R9T Pure, more stripped down, simpler styling. Urban G/S, more adventurous styling, some geometry/tire changes. R9T Scrambler, off-road styling cues. Special/anniversary editions, e.g. 100 years, etc.